Good evening, everybody. Let us start the session with the starting prayer. You just close your eyes and listen to the prayer. I am the eye. I come forth from the void into light. I am the breath that nurtures life. I am the emptiness, that hollowness beyond all consciousness. The I, the it, the all. I draw my bow of rainbows across the waters. The continuum of minds with matters. I am the incoming and outgoing of the breath, the invisible, untouchable breeze, the undefinable atom of creation. I am the I. This is the starting prayer which we used to start any workshop or any session in Ho'oponopono. It is a tradition in Ho'oponopono to start any Ho'oponopono event or workshop with the starting prayer. I welcome all of you to this wonderful meeting where we can spread the love and humanity, the peace. Ho'oponopono is all about living in peace and love. Many times we are seeing and we are expecting once the person leaves the body, we start praying to the divine. Let that person be in peace, rest in peace. But when we are living, we are forgetting. We are supposed to live in peace and love. So Ho'oponopono is the ancient Hawaiian problem solving process which helps us to live in peace in everyday and day-to-day activity, daily course in a peaceful and harmonious manner. And today is the first time since for last 1 year, we've been doing Ho'oponopono sessions every Sunday. And sometimes we have been doing these sessions on weekdays also. And today is the first time we have chosen exclusively for question and answers. And today, whatever you have doubts or if you need any clarification regarding any of the procedures, which is as long as related to Ho'oponopono, you can ask and get clarified. Who will get the first prize? First prize goes to first question. Anybody?
Hello,
Any question?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Suman madam, tell me.
ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ those what you told that ಮೊರನಾ or ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ
ಹೌದು.
ಅದು ಇದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್?
Okay madam, ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Yeah, I will send it. It's a set of 4 prayers. Starts with the starting prayer. Second one is Morna's prayer. Then repentance prayer. Final 4th one is the closing prayer. Is the set of the 4 prayers is a cleaning process. This I will share in the Telegram group. Earlier also we have shared. Again I will share it. Thank you very much. And the inner child meditation is a meditation which is used for cleaning the subconscious memories. Inner child means the child is a subconscious mind. In Ho'oponopono, we call the subconscious mind as the inner child. Conscious mind is the mother aspect. When we do the inner child meditation, the relationship between the mother and the child become more stronger. And the child starts helping releasing those memories which are accumulated since the beginning of the creation. That means since many lifetimes, since thousands of years, which are replaying as the outside problems.
Okay.
I'll share the details.
So we are praying for ourselves first.
Yes, madam. So it is only you, not anybody else. First, we need to take care of ourselves.
Okay,
sir. We need to nurture ourselves. If I am clean, if I am happy, If I am cleaning my memories, outside everything will be fine. Whatever I am seeing and I am experiencing outside, it is only the reflection of my subconscious memories.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಆವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ, ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು, ಇದು ಚಿನ್ಮುದ್ರಾ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಲ್ಲ, ಚಿನ್ಮುದ್ರಾ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್.
ಹೌದೌದು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪಾಮು ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ,
ಪಾಮು ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್.
ಓಕೆ, that I had a doubt. Again I had a doubt, so I just clarified. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you.
One person is asking the meaning of the Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono is an ancient word. Ho'oponopono name is for the ancient Hawaiian problem solving process. It is an Hawaiian word. In Hawaii, Ho means making or cause. Pono means correct or right or perfect. Ho'oponopono means rectifying the things, making the things correct, right, perfect. It is only the errors in our thoughts, deeds, and words which are causing the problems, which we're experiencing as the outside problems. Whether it is in the body as physical health issues or psychological health issues, stress, anxiety, anger, hatred, jealousy, or the outside issues in the form of difficulties in the job, workplace, business, having good relations with people, whether it is colleagues, neighbors, relatives, friends, family members. Whenever there is any lack of understanding and lack of trust between us and any one or multiple people, it is only our subconscious memories replaying as those things. Each and everything. Whatever I am going through, for that I am 100% responsible. Whether it is my health, my body, mind, business, job, family, house, location, or the government, or the nation, whatever may be. First, we need to take 100% responsibility, and then we need to start cleaning with Ho'oponopono. It is a wonderful process. Just by working on yourself, you can resolve almost all the issues, whatever the humankind is going through. Thank you very much for your question. Let us start with a small exercise. All of you can unmute yourself and keep your video on. Only if the background disturbance is there, you can mute. Whenever you want to speak, you can unmute and speak. Let us do small exercise. It takes only a couple of minutes. As I told, we need to take 100% responsibility, and only memories are replaying us all the outside issues and all. Let us see whether we are this body, thoughts, or feelings, or our emotions, or situations, what it is. For this, let us do short exercise. I request all of you to just close your eyes. Sit in a comfortable position. Sit as comfortable as possible. Just observe your breathing. Inhaling through nose, exhaling through nose. You just observe the cool air entering through your nostrils while inhaling, and while exhaling, the warm air going out through your nostrils. No need to do anything, no need to control any thoughts. Let the thoughts come and go. It is the nature of the mind to keep itself busy with thoughts, calculations, and all. Now, for time being, just focus on the breathing. Now, you just try to expand yourself beyond your body to entire aura. You can feel the whole aura. Keep expanding. Expand to the whole room where you are sitting. Expand yourself to the whole building where you are sitting. Keep expanding. Expand to the whole area. Keep expanding. Expand to the whole city. Expand to the surrounding cities. Expand in all the directions. Top, bottom, right, left, front, back, in all the direction. Keep expanding. Still you can expand. Keep expanding for another 1,000 kilometers. Expand for another 10,000 kilometers in all directions. Expand to whole earth. Expand to entire solar system, to different planets and their moons of the whole solar system. Keep expanding. Expand to the entire galaxy. To all the known and unknown stars, planets, their moons. Expand to the whole universe. Universe is abundant, infinite. Keep expanding to the whole universe. Different universal molecules. There are millions of billions of galaxies are there. Billions of galaxies. Billions of stars, planets, known and unknown objects in the entire universe. Keep expanding. Once you expand to the infinite universe, the whole cosmos, open your eyes with beautiful smile on your face. How did you feel?
Good, sir.
Oh, felt good. Thank you. Somebody is asking in the chat whether can we cure chronic diseases. Is how can we cure chronic diseases? First, one thing we need to understand, diseases are two types. One is temporary acute, which are appearing because of the outside infections like injuries and all. Whether you're affected with a cold or fever, that is because of some other foreign body is entering your body in the form of bacteria, virus, and all, and it is affecting your body, causing disease in your body. And those things, when the things are in your body, health is getting affected because of outside things, then you need to get the outside help. Based on physician, doctor, through medication, these things. And there are things which are happening in our body. It is because of some imbalances in our body, some disorders, for which it is not possible to heal or cure as per the allopathic or different various types of medications. For these, we need to go to the manufacturer instead of going to the mechanic. That means we are manufactured by the divine. Doctor is like a mechanic repairing us. Instead of going to the mechanic, if you go to the manufacturer, to the divine. One second, I just. Once you go to the divine, there are more chances that you can get rid of all these sufferings, pain, sorrows because of these chronic diseases. So, how to reach the divine? Ho'oponopono is a way of petitioning to the divine to transmute, erase, or clean the memories which are replaying as these difficulties, imbalances, or the chronic diseases. And usually we don't recommend Ho'oponopono when it comes to health issues. First, you need to take care of the body by consulting the physician or any type of medication. When everything fails, then alternatively you need to focus on working on yourself. That means you need to understand by taking 100% responsibility, you need to try to clean the memories which are replaying as these particular health issues, chronic issues. It is not the body first which is getting affected by the diseases. Any form of disease, infection, these things first they affect your aura or your energetic body. And over a period of time, it will reflect in your body in the form of disease. So once you clean your energetic body, your aura, and the chakras, automatically you will be free from that particular effect. Disease is an effect, cause is the subconscious memories. And when it comes to chronic disease, it may take much longer time because you need to focus clean on. Now all the accumulated memories which are there in your inner child or the memory bank or the subconscious mind. There are various procedures to clean the memories which we have been sharing in our sessions. Is it clear? Dr. Ranganathan, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. And we have one more question. Was good at the beginning, but there are participants being noisy, not muting. Please ask others to mute. Very noisy, sir. Sorry. Okay, they have read the chart before me. They have muted themselves. Video you can keep on. Only audio, if there is disturbance is there, you can keep your audio mute. And one more person is asking, and whenever any person is asking question, I'm not going to disclose the name of the person. In the chart, there are options. Either you can send the chart or the message to everyone or to one person, like that. If you don't want to get disclosed in the group, you can send privately, so that I'll be addressing that question without mentioning the name. How does Ho'oponopono work, where we chant for another person who is not connected to our soul when doing it on behalf of another? He's cleaning on the another person. We think that it is the issue of the another person. The issue is outside with other person, though. So I have to clean so that that person will be free from that particular issue. Actually, what happens? It is the problem is not out there, nothing out there. Here, we clearly say that time and again we are saying in the Ho'oponopono, we are time and again pressing on that nothing out there, nothing out there. If you are seeing the heaviness or difficulty of other person, that means you have shared memories. If you don't have shared memories or those energies, there is no chance that you can see that or you can experience. Yes, you already started experiencing some kind of difficulty or pain or the psychological sadness like this, because you are seeing that person is going through some difficulty or some situation that is causing you some kind of pain, psychological or like this. So it is in your space. Now you need to take 100% responsibility for whatever going on in you. You need to work on all the thoughts, emotions, whatever is going on in you. Once you clean your memories, automatically all the shared memories from each and every being will be cleaned from each and every person. It is not only human beings, they will be cleaned from plant kingdom, animal kingdom, and the mineral kingdom, from everywhere. Once you release any painful memory or the shared memory, it will be released from whole cosmos. You need to take 100% responsibility. How can I be 100% responsible for the tough situation that person is going through, for the illness that person is going through, for the difficulty of that person is going through? How can I take 100% responsibility for the person's difficulty? Whatever may be the cause, that person's illness, difficulty, business, finance, job, relations, whatever may be. When you ask this question, how can I take 100% responsibility? Some energies will show. Then you need to ask yourself, I am sorry for all the accumulated memories stored in me that are making me to experience this person's difficulty. Please forgive me and help me to let go of all the accumulated memories stored in me that are causing me to experience the difficulty of this person. Thank you, I love you. And one more option, I am sorry for all the accumulated memories, space beings. Sorry, it is quite lengthy. The easy one is there. I am sorry for the energies and shared memories of that person. Please forgive me and help me to let go of the energies and shared memories of that person. Thank you, I love you. If you repeat this specific prayer for 5 to 10 minutes, you see the lightness. You see that you're letting go of the energies of that person. One more question, I have difficulty sleeping. How can I improve that? A few months back, I had the same difficulty. But at times, we need to give our personal experience so that it will be easy for the participants to understand. Earlier, even after a late night, I was not able to sleep, and I thought everything is fine. I'm doing the cleaning and doing so many things outside. It's everything, situations, health, everything is fine. Still, why I'm not getting sleep and all? I just started working on that. I was keep on cleaning, nothing shown up. Then I started asking myself. That time I came across one article, some one I was going through some book. There, that book has made me to recall that to show up the energies, you need to ask a question. Then I asked, what is going on in me that is causing this? What is there in me that is causing lack of sleep, that is making me to find it difficult to sleep? What is going on in me that I'm experiencing difficulty in going to sleep? You just close your eyes and mentally ask yourself, what is going on in me that I'm finding it difficult to go to sleep? Once you ask, you can see the energies or the reason behind that. Maybe today's, last year, or decades back. Even after asking once or twice, if it doesn't show up, it is okay. You just start cleaning on this. I am sorry for everything going on in me that is causing me difficulty in going to sleep. Please forgive me and help me to let go of everything going on in me that is causing me difficulty in going to sleep. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry for all the accumulated memories which are replaying as sleeping difficulties, sleeping issues, insomnia, or time and again waking up in the nights. Please forgive me and help me to let go of all the accumulated memories which are replaying as these sleeping issues. Thank you. I love you. Once you start working on these things, like this, I started working on. On the day when I started asking the questions while cleaning, then I found everything looks fine, but is it really everything fine? Then something, I came to realize something that whenever I am into a busy schedule in the day, it is not only mentally, when physically active, like walking or doing some physical activity and all, I used to get sleep so early. I used to plan the things, a few things to do even after dinner, but at that time, I just forget everything and go to sleep. And that questions made me to realize that body needs some exercise, some kind of physical exercise, so that we can get sleep easily. There are different hormones in our body. I don't know the medical terminology and the these things, hormones and all, but there are certain hormones and certain things are there in our body which are making us to sleep in a better way and which are making us to not to sleep like this. When you have some kind of, maybe as little as possible, if you have some little physical exercise, it will help you to resolve most of the sleeping issues. And for this physical exercise, I'll suggest one thing. After dinner, after having dinner in the night, even if you're not able to do any kind of physical exercise, at least having the dinner, just take around 15 minutes or 30 minutes, half an hour, walk for a while, take a brisk walk, and during this walk, forget everything and keep saying cleaning procedures. Whether we can see the say Morna's prayer or specific prayer or any kind of the energy releasing procedures or prayers of Ho'oponopono, just keep chanting any one or multiple prayers of Ho'oponopono and keep walking for 15 minutes to 30 minutes. So by that time, your psychologically mind will be free from the energies which are causing any kind of disturbance or anxiety, and your body will feel like tired, so that you will get sleep. I took very long time, I'm sorry. We have one question. If I don't know the person, but I am asked to help chant for that person. Yes, if somebody is asking you to clean for one particular person. For example, today I came to know one new friend. I'm just giving an example. One person, known person calls me and say that my son is having some kind of difficulty, or my father is having difficulty, or some relative is going through something. Please help me to clean on these things and all. At that time, I will not be aware of the name of that relative of my friend, or I not see that person. That means person is entirely new. At that time, what I do is I am sorry for everything going on in me that is causing the difficulties of my friends, relative, like this. That is enough. Because universe knows, the universal creator knows. These all these prayers you are addressing to the divine or the subconscious mind. The divine knows each and everything. Divine knows you better than you. So it is not you who are cleaning. You and me, we are just doing the procedures. We are just chanting the prayers. And the cleaning is taken care by only the divine. Please send these lines of prayer. Okay, I'll share it in the group. Sir, can you tell us about the relationship between inner child, conscious mind, and the superconscious? How can we access superconscious? Relationship between the inner child, that is, inner child is the subconscious mind, also known as the memory bank. Conscious mind is the mother. Superconscious, superconscious mind is the bridge between you and the divine. In the Ho'oponopono cleaning process, as I told for in the answer of earlier question, it is not me or you who is cleaning. We are doing the Ho'oponopono procedures like meditation, procedure, tools, prayers. It is the job of the divine to clean the memories which are replaying as the issues. So when we start saying the Ho'oponopono prayer or doing the meditation, we are doing consciously. That is with conscious mind. Conscious mind here is the mother. And we are addressing these prayers to the subconscious mind. Subconscious is the inner child, where all the memories are stored since the beginning of the creation, since many lifetimes. When we start doing the Ho'oponopono, the process From conscious mind, it reaches the subconscious mind, the inner child. And the inner child starts forwarding those memories to the superconscious mind, which is the bridge between you and the divine. And superconscious mind is capable of filtering those memories which have to be cleaned. After filtering, the superconscious mind forwards those memories to the divine, and only divine is capable of cleaning or transmuting or erasing those memories. This is the process of cleaning. Once the divine cleans or erases or transmute those memories which were replaying as the outside issues, then the divine energy starts flowing through divine to the superconscious mind, superconscious to conscious mind, conscious to subconscious. Then the subconscious mind will be free from that particular memories. Once those memories are free, cleared, erased, or transmuted, you are free from the particular issue which was replaying. And that space will be filled with love, the infinite love, the divine love, the peace and love of the God, love of the divine. This is the process, and this is the connection between the conscious, subconscious, superconscious, and the divine. This conscious, subconscious, superconscious, in India, we together call it as the soul. Soul is an extension of the divine. That means divine is not somewhere in the sky. Divine is already in us. The soul is an extension of the divine. That means we are part of the divine. It is only because of the amnesia we are not able to perceive the things. And we are not able to see the things as they are. So once we clean the memories which are replaying as the physical brain ego, which is making us to see the things as we are, automatically once those memories and ego is clear, we will be able to see the things as they are, as the divine sees. So you'll be free from all the attachments, all the ego, hatred, anger, selfishness, desires. There are so many things. Is it clear, madam? Okay, thank you so much. It's very helpful. You are welcome. Very well explained. Okay, you're welcome. To clean the memories, as time and again I'm saying, I'm sorry, as English is not my mother tongue. Sometimes I'm finding it difficult to frame the sentences. Grammatical mistakes may be there. I'm trying my best to explain the things as I understood. But at times I'm searching for the words. I'm sorry for that. If it is causing any confusion or difficulty for you. Yes, time and again I'm pressing on the thing that is nothing out there. It is the subconscious memories which are replaying as all the problems, all the issues. So our main objective to be to clean the memories, subconscious memories, which we have accumulated since many lifetimes, since thousands of years, since beginning of the creation. So there are different cleaning procedures are there. Just let us do one cleaning process. Just close your eyes and repeat the cleaning prayer. Sit in a relaxed posture. Sit as comfortably as possible by closing your eyes. I am 100% responsible. Repeat. I am 100% responsible for everything going on in my life.
Thing going on in my life.
It is the subconscious memories
It is the subconscious memories
which are there in my inner child,
which are there in my inner child,
which are replaying as
which are replaying as
the outside issues.
the outside issues.
So now it is our responsibility to clean the memories. Just repeat, my dear memories, my dear memories,
Memories.
thank you, I love you.
I love you.
I am grateful
I am grateful
for one more opportunity
more opportunity
to free all of you
to see all of you
and me,
and
and me.
me.
Thank you,
Thank you.
I love you. My dear memories,
My dear memories.
thank you, I love you.
Thank you. I love you.
I am grateful
I am grateful
for one more opportunity
for one more opportunity
to free all of you
to free all of you
and me.
on me.
Thank you, I love you.
Thank you and I love you.
My dear memories,
My dear memories.
thank you, I love you.
Thank you.
I am grateful
I am grateful
for one more opportunity
for one more opportunity
to free all of you
to see all of you
and me.
and me.
Thank you, I love you.
Thank you. I love you.
Thank you very much. Now you can open your eyes. Hey, one person in the chat. Thank you, sir. You are explaining concepts very well. You're most welcome. Another question. As we keep doing the inner child meditation, does the child within grow in age? As we keep doing the inner child meditation, does the child within grow in age? It is quite interesting. The child within is not a different child. It is our own being. It is part of us. When you are talking to the child subconscious, and I am talking from the conscious mind, that is the mother part. The child is the subconscious. The child. Subconscious is known as the child. It is your own being. Child is there since ages, since the beginning of the creation, maybe since hundreds of lifetimes or since thousands of lifetimes, it is there. We are just changing the bodies. In this question, it is very difficult for me. It is such a tough question, but I'm not sure whether my answer is clear or not. It doesn't. So, if it is not clear, I'm sorry. Is it clear, sir? Is it clear, madam? Next one, while doing the
When I do these meditations, we
Yes.
start off by the child being a very small child. We
Hmm.
hold the hand, we hold the shoulders, and every day when you do it, you sometimes feel that the child is growing up. The child is now a small girl. Is that normal? Is that
It is normal wonder. Really, it is. I'm so happy to see that the child is playing with you. See, initially when I started Ho'oponopono, I used to have at that time before Ho'oponopono, I used to have big mistake. It was so big. And during the inner child meditation, the child started playing with me by holding my son eyes, ears, and all. At that time, the child was trying to kiss me. It was like a newborn baby, and it was not able to touch my face because of the mistake or piercing. As the newborn child, the skin is so soft. It was trying to play with me when I was doing the inner child meditation, and it was not able to come uh, near my face. It is because my mistake was for piercing the child. And I used to feel so happy that the child is playing with me. And when we develop that kind of relationship, the child is playing with you and feeling like the child is growing and all, that means you are developing the very good relationship, strong relationship with the child. And this is where the child starts helping you in releasing those memories which are replaying as the outside issues. Maybe difficulties in the business, money blocks, not getting clients, or not able to do the business, or any other kind of issues. These are all kind of blocks in receiving the money, wealth, health, peace. It is only the memories. I'm so happy that you are doing the inner child meditation in the best possible way. That is the reason you're experiencing these things. And after that, I had to remove my mistake and I reduced. And after that, child started not started playing so much this one. While doing these meditations, do we need keep chin mudra? Chin mudra is only for half breathing. When you are doing the half breathing, you need to make chin mudra. For rest of the things, no need to be. Shall we start the cleaning process? Anything to discuss? Okay, we start the cleaning process. Request all of you close your eyes. Observe your breathing.
Do we have to keep the chin mudra?
No, not required.
Okay, okay.
It is only while doing half breathing, we need to keep chin mudra. We need to make chin mudra.
Okay, okay.
Just close your eyes and see that your body is relaxed. Sit in the most comfortable posture. Let us start with the cleaning process with half breathing. Half breathing is HA, half breathing. Half breathing is not for body, it is for the soul. When you do the half breathing, divine energy flows through your body and cleans all the memories, including the ancestral memories, since generations, those memories which are accumulated since generations. So process of doing the half breathing is, you need to keep both the feet on the ground, keep your spine erect or straight. And here thumb is the divine, forefinger is you. You are joining with the divine. Thumb is joining with forefinger. Remaining three fingers you're keeping straight together. I hope you're able to see the video. Like this, you are making the Chin Mudra with both the hands and keeping on your lap by facing the palms downwards. You can keep on the thighs or the knees, whichever is convenient for you. And while inhaling, count up to 7. Hold the breath for the count of 7. Exhale for the count of 7. Again, hold for the count of 7. This is one round of half breathing. Like this, we will be doing 7 rounds. I'll be playing the audio so that we all can do together. You just listen to the audio and follow.
Now we are going to do half breathing. If you are sitting on a chair, keep the feet on the ground. Make Chin Mudra with both the hands and keep both hands on your thighs. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you.
Keep your eyes closing. While closing the eyes, take a deep breath. Slowly and comfortably breathe in. And slowly and comfortably breathe out. Take a deep breath and breathe out. Do this for a couple of times. Now I am taking you to the one of the most important relationships in this world. More important than any other physical relationship. It is one of the most important relationships for you. the connection between you and your subconscious mind. Here we call the subconscious mind as the inner child. The conscious mind is the mother part. Say to the subconscious mind, that is the inner child, oh, for the first time in the creation, I am acknowledging your presence in me. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry for not taking care of you. I am sorry for neglecting you. Please forgive me. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you. I love you. Now take the permission of the child to gently stroke its head with love and concern. Say like this, please allow me to gently stroke your head with love and concern. Now you just see that you are stroking the head of the child gently with unconditional love and concern. No need to imagine anything. You just see that you are stroking the head of the inner child with unconditional love and concern. While stroking the head with love, say thank you. I love you. If I am neglecting you, please forgive me. If I am not taking good care of you, please forgive me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you. I love you. Yes, this is the small child. Express your love as a mother expressing her love to the newborn child. The unconditional love. Now ask the permission of the child to gently stroke its leg. Please allow me to gently stroke your leg. Show me whichever leg you want to give. And you just see that you are gently massaging or stroking the leg of the child with love and concern. Saying thank you, I love you. Now ask the child to give another leg to gently stroke with unconditional love and concern. Please allow me to gently stroke another leg with unconditional love and concern. Now you see that you are stroking the leg with unconditional love and affection. Then say thank you, I love you. I am sorry for all the accumulated memories stored in you, because of which you are going through lot of suffering. Whatever the child is going through, the same thing is getting reflected as the outside problem in our life. So we need to clean the memories which are causing the pain of the child. Now ask the forgiveness. Please forgive me. And if you don't mind, please let go of the memories stored in you which are causing you this pain. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. I love you. Now you just think of the one thing which is time and again hurting you a lot, any thought or any issue, situation, and talk to the inner child. I am sorry for all the memories stored in you which are replaying as this issue. You just recall whatever the issue you are going through. And then say to the inner child, it is just the memories which are replaying as this issue. Think of the issue you are going through, any thought or any issue. Please forgive me and help me to let go of the memories stored in you, which are replaying as this issue. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. I love you. Please allow me to gently hug you, to express my love and affection. Please allow me. Now just you see that you are hugging the child with love and affection. Gently hug the child with love and affection. And say, thank you, I love you. I am sorry for not acknowledging your presence in me. Please forgive me. I am sorry for all the accumulated memories stored in you. Please forgive me, and if you don't mind, please let go of the accumulated memories which are replaying as the present issues. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry for all the accumulated memories, space beings, entities, family members' deeds, their thoughts, relatives' deeds, their thoughts, ancestors, their deeds, and their thoughts, and all the negative energies, black magics stored in you. I am sorry for creating, accepting, and accumulating all these unwanted energies. Please forgive me, and if you don't mind, please let go of all the accumulated memories space beings, entities, family members' deeds, their thoughts, relatives' deeds, their thoughts, ancestors, their deeds, their thoughts, and all the negative energies stored in you, which are replaying as my present issues. The whatever the issue or the thought is hurting you. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. I love you. Express your gratitude and love in a way that your child can feel. Your child can feel. Thank you. I love you. Now let us do the half breathing by closing your eyes and playing the audio. Just follow the audio. You.
Now we are going to do half breathing. If you are sitting on a chair, keep both the feet on the ground. Make chin mudra with both the hands and keep both hands on your thighs. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you.
Thanks to all of you. Rub both the palms and close your face, eyes. And open your eyes with beautiful smile on your face. And before closing the session, one second.